Good morning, dear students. We are going to discuss first topic our class 10th index, that is partial fractions. Partial fractions. So here we are going to discuss about the fractions which are of the forms from numerator by denominator, and those numerator and denominator are different polynomials. So and we are going to split them into some parts. We are going to express into some simple fractions. Let us see how we are going to do what we are going to do. So before going to that, so let me clarify polynomial. So what is meant by a polynomial? So we know that an expression which involves non-negative integral powers of the variable. An expression, very importantly, an expression which involves non-negative integral powers of the variable. Powers of the variable is called a polynomial. So examples are that 3x square plus 1, x plus 1, some 7x power 4 plus 3x cube plus 2x plus 1, fourth root 3x square plus 1. Don't think that here root 3 is there. So one more example I wrote 3x power 1 by 2 plus 4x plus 1. Just simply for your understanding I written. This is non-negative integral. This is not non-negative integral power. Non-negative integral power means what? All positive integers including 0 only. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So this is all about the polynomial. So what is the general form of the polynomial? So an x power n minus 1, an minus 1 x power n minus 1, some an minus 2 x power n minus 2, so on up to a naught. Let it be where, so this is the polynomial with degree n. So where an should be not is equal to 0 if it is with degree n. So what are an minus 1, an minus, don't confuse it. So I have given some literals. These are literals means some numbers, like some 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 by 2, 4, whatever it might be, some real numbers, real coefficients is going to be here. So this is the general form of the polynomial. So next, first one is going to be rational fraction. So rational fraction means a fraction. So here whose numerator and the denominator both are the polynomials, such type of the fractions are called as the rational fraction. So whose numerator and denominator are the polynomials are called as the rational fraction. So in general we know the fact that denominator should not be is equal to 0. So actually we need to have the simplified form of them. So what we are going for examples I will write 3x square plus 2x plus 1 by x plus 1. See, this is a rational fraction. So since numerator is a polynomial, denominator is a polynomial. Root 3x plus 1 by x plus 2, this is also a polynomial. Don't think that root 3 is there. This is a coefficient here. So 2x square plus root 3x plus 1 by some root 3x plus 1. This is also going to be by numerator by denominator form. So don't think that here root 3 is there. Root 3 is what here? Constant, a coefficient. Obviously these are all called as the rational fraction. Next one is going to be, the first one is going to be here. So always we'll discuss some questions on the how to simplify the rational fraction. So 3x square by 2x is there. Simplified form is what? 3 into x by 2 into x will be cancelled. 3x by 2 you will get. And next one is going to be x plus 2 by x plus 1 by see 2x plus 2. So x plus 1 by what will be common? 2 will be common. X plus 1. So both will be cancelled. So it will be 1 by 2 only. And 3x square plus 4x by x square. So what will be common in the numerator? X will be common. What will get? 3x plus 4 by, this will be x into x. X will be cancelled. What will get here? 3x plus 4 by x. So this is about the rational fraction. And next we are going to discuss about first different types of the fractions, in that proper fraction. Otherwise still we'll discuss some simplification on the fraction. So one example I will write. So x square plus 6x plus 5 by x square minus x minus 2. So how we have to simplify this one? So we need to factorize the numerator and also denominator. So how can I write? So here we need to represent them as a factor, represent them as a c. If you want to simplify 6 by 8, actually we need to write as the factors 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 2. What are the things common? We can cancel, that is 3 by 4. So here, what is the coefficient of x square here? 1. What is the constant here? 5. 1 into 5 is equal to 5. So here 1 5. So how can I write this one? X square plus 1 into x plus 5 into x plus 5. You know about the factorization again. So how can I write the denominator? Coefficient of x square is 1 and the constant is minus 2. So 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. How can I write? Minus 2 into 1. Minus into plus minus, 2 ones are 2. Minus 2 plus 1 will be what? Minus 1. So this can be given as x square minus 2x plus 1 into x is x minus 2. So what will be common from the numerator here? X will be common. You will get x plus 1. What will be common from here? 5 will be common. Again it will be x plus 1. Again what will be common in the denominator here from these two? X minus 2. Again what will be common? 1 x minus 2. So we know about the factorization perfectly. Again what will be common here? X plus 1 will be common. What will get? X plus 5. So again x plus 1 x minus 2 is common. So you will get this as x plus 1. Both x plus 1 and x plus 1 will be cancelled. You will get x plus y by x minus 2. So this is a simplified form of the fraction. Now let us go for one more example on it. 2x square minus 5x minus 3 divided by 4x square minus 1. 4x square minus 1, otherwise x square minus 1 you take. So how can I write this one? So if you go for the numerator and denominator, I can write this one as 2 into minus 3, that will be minus 6, otherwise 4x square minus 1 you take. So minus 6. So it can be given in minus 3 into 2 also. Different ways we can give, but we need to take the factors in such a way that sum should be equal to coefficient of x. How can I write? Minus 6 into 1. Minus into plus minus. 6 ones are 6. Minus 6 plus 1 is minus 5. 2x square minus 6x plus 1 into x is x minus 3 by 4x square minus 1. What will be common from the numerator here? 2x is common. What you will get? X minus 3. What will be common here? 1 will be common. Again x minus 3. So this can be given as 2x whole square minus 1 square. So I am simplifying the denominator also. So here this will become what? If I take x minus 3 from the numerator, you will get 2x plus 1. So a square minus b square. What is the form of this? A plus b into a minus b. Both will be cancelled. It will be x minus 3 by 2x minus 1. Numerator by denominator form. So this is going to be rational fraction. So why rational fraction? Both numerator and denominator polynomials. So everything is rational fraction only here. What we are discussing. So this is about the how to simplify the rational fractions. Now let us go for types of the fractions here. What type of the fractions are going to be? We will discuss it.